Hi, one problem that you often find when you make a 3D printing either by using the FDM printer or a resin printer is the smell. For the FDM printing, if you print with the ABS filament, the smell will give you a headache, nauseous. In the back of the printer, they usually come with the activate carbon filter. It's very small. It cannot trap all the smell from the ABS print. And for the resin printer, it comes with a very small activate carbon filter, and I found that it doesn't do much, maybe nothing, to reduce the smell. I've tried to use the air purifier. This one is from a Xiaomi. It's more like a dust filter more than the smell trapper. It has a HEPA filter for filtering the dust. On the inner side, it has a thin layer of activate carbon. I found that this one is more effective than the one that comes with the printer, but the layer of the activate carbon is also very thin, so I can use this for about less than 1-2 months. Printing with the ABS is going to soak up all the smell, and I need to replace it, and this whole set of the filter is quite expensive. And then I found this, it's activate carbon supplementary filter that you can add this into the core of the regular filter from Xiaomi. You just place it like this, so it will have a large volume of the activate carbon. So there's a lot of carbon in here, much more than the original filter. So this one will absorb the smell much better. So I have an idea that I want to make a smell trap from the 3D printing by using just this activate carbon filter. This one is not made by Xiaomi. I don't know who is the maker. It's a supplementary. I can find this in Thailand. I'm not sure if you can buy this in the US. I can just buy this for $8, and then I'm going to add another $10 for 4-inch blower. This is 4-inch blower. I think they also supply the same model on Amazon. And I'm going to add this AC speed adjuster to reduce the noise of the fan to make it look less DIY. I'm going to make a 3D print case for this. This one cost me $6.4. And this blower costs $11.4, a wind speed 5 meters per second, 2600 RPM, and it's consumed 35 watts of the AC power. And for the filament, I use the Creality Soleyin, $8, $30.63 for this project. Trim this. Okay, here is in the Autodesk Inventor. I start by modeling adapter ring between the filter and the blower. This is the 2D sketch of the upper case. I try to make it as small as possible. Then I add the wall thickness on the back for the mounting screw. I will use the original screw that comes with the blower for mounting this. Then I add the 4 slotted holes for mounting with the lower body of the case. Now I'm modeling the lower body of the case. The filter will fit into this ring by using friction. Next, I do the extrusion cut for the ventilation holes. I use the slot as the profiles because it's easier to draw and also easier to print. Then I make a cutout for the AC plug. Then I make 4 keys for inserting into the upper body of the case. The keys are loose fitting because I want it to be easily removed when repressing the filter, and I'm going to lock the key with another key. Now I'm making a fixing point for the cable tie. Now the lower body is completed. The final part will be the lid cover. I make cutout for air exhaust. The lid will be attached to the upper body by using the friction. And this will be the plug cover. Then I make a small 4 keys, the orange color, that will lock the upper body to the lower body. And here's the finished model. Took me about 3 hours for making this. And here's the cross section. The exhaust air will not be recirculated back into the inlet. Everything is still up. I use the point cloud as the reference for the entire process. There is no use of the vernier caliper or the measuring tape. I want to try this new PLA. It's the cheapest PLA I have ever bought. For 1 kilo it cost me $8 include shipping. I'm gonna print the lid with the gray color, and for the main body I'm going to use this color. Let's see how it's performed. Snow overhang. And so I only need support in this area, and the rest of the print require no support. This one will take almost 5 hours, 4 hours, 46 minutes. Send it to the printing. Okay, let's. Okay, let's do assembly. First, I'm going to place the lid onto the upper case like this. Place the blower or the adapter. This will be a place fitting. Place a blower inside here. This is the original screw that comes with the blower. One single piece like this. This what inside. Next I'm gonna apply this. I forgot to put the the filter in here. Place the filter in here first. That's the purpose of this video. Okay. Place here, just like that. Then I'm going to fit the lock. Lock it with a pin. That's the 4 pins. So after you lock the pin, now you can lift it. And if you want to remove it, you just push it and it fall inside. Okay, I'm gonna use the speed control. That will be a maximum speed. It's quite a lot of air and it's go out in a 60 degrees angle. So without the lid, you can remove the lid. It will go straight up. It's not heavy. You can just lift it up. But I'm kind of disappointed with the color of the filament. I thought it was going to go together with the gray color, but it looks very weird to me. Okay, so it is much smaller than the air purifier because it only has the activate carbon core, and the fan is a blower which is only 4 inches size, but this one it doesn't use the blower type, and the fan is really large but it's more quiet. This one is a lot more quiet than this one. I only need to trap the smell, not the dust, so this could be a cheaper alternative. Okay, so I will just place it here next to the resin printer. I can also trap the smell from the ABS printing and also the resin printer. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.